Okay, the French F1 all set up. Okay guys, after much deliberation, I've gone for the French F1 two-man tent. I did look at the one-man tent by Snugpack, coming in at £125. This one from Military Mart, £25. The atmosphere was 1.8 kilos. This is 2.5 kilos in weight, but if two men can fit in it, then it's actually good weight wise. Let's see what's inside the pack. Okay, tent pegs and poles. This looks like it's going to be very easy. What's up? This is what we want. I can't see two people being in here though. It looks like it's going to be very snug. Okay, the tent has been laid on the lawn. Let's see how long this takes to set up. So I've just laid it out, unrolled it. Let's see how we go. Okay, we had to move location. The initial place we were setting up on was flat, but it was on top of an old ball court, and simply the tent pegs that were supplied could not get through the hardcore underneath. So I've moved location, all set up now. It's missing some ropes on the sides, also some basically tent pegs, but for 25 quid it looks okay. It's mid-February and we're going to camp tonight. It's forecast to be quite warm because I've got my 5-year-old with me. It's down to 9 degrees tonight, so should be okay in there. I'll let you know tomorrow. Let's have a look inside. Okay guys, we're inside the tent. You can just about sit inside it. 2 people? Yeah, I think you can fit 2 people in here. I'm quite a big guy. The son obviously is only 5, so he's going to take up no room at all. It's got its own ground sheet. On each side, it's got a fly sheet if you want a bit of ventilation, and that's just pulled down with Velcro. And you've also got a ventilation mesh at the top of each corner, one at each end, plus the ones on the sides, so if it does get too hot in here, there's plenty of access to fresh air. We'll report back to let you know how comfortable it was overnight. One of the zips, that one there, can't open fully, so there are a few little errors with this. There's 2 entrances, one at the front, like so, and it's exactly the same on the back. The idea was that if we go out as a family on a camping holiday, we could have 2 of these end to end, put a tarp over the middle and actually connect the 2. Let's see why not. So for a family of 4, under 5 kilos, that's not too bad. What do you think, James?
Good.
Are you looking forward to camping in here?
Yeah.
Do you think it's going to be dry?
Yeah. And when this comes down soon.
Yes, we'll see how warm it is. It feels hot in here at the moment, but we're in the middle of the daytime.
Yes.
Okay, on some other reviews, people have mentioned that they've had to air the tent for a while. We've been in here for 10 minutes now and it doesn't smell at all. So that's one bonus. So, just to summarise, missing a few tent pegs, a few guidelines. This bottom zip here isn't opening, Okay, the French F1 all set up, ready to rock and roll. It's mid-February, we're going to camp out tonight. It says it's going to go down to about 9 degrees, so not too severe. We'll report back and let you know how it was. Knock knock, is anyone home? Hello?
I'm a bad wolf.
A bad wolf?
It's a gum house and has blew your house down.
Oh, let's hope you don't blow this tent down. Okay guys, this is just a trial camp tonight. Found some wood, but it's extremely wet. We've had non-stop rain, so I'm going to try to batten this down and split it. Get some dry stuff. We're going to do, the inner part of the wood's nice and dry, so that should take a break. But I'm going to make it small stuff kindling, so it makes the job a lot easier. And try and do some fire sticks as well. Because it's been so wet, we're going to start the fire on a log bed. What a lot of people may not realise is that when starting a fire on earth, if the earth is really wet, the water can be pulled up from the soil into the fire, making it harder to light. Hence why we're doing a bed of logs to start the fire on. There we are. These feather sticks over it. We should get a nice fire going. Just take your time, build it up slowly. Start off small and get bigger and bigger. All comes down to your preparation. How does that look, James?
Good.
Okay, so we've got all the split wood and battened wood on the fire now, and that's slowly taking, and then we put the bigger logs on that will burn eventually, and then we cook some dinner. Okay guys, even with wet wood we've managed to get a fire. Guys, my turn for the kitchen. Going to show you how to make a hobo stew. Got some nice steak here. Just going to cut it into chunks. This is for our campfire. Me and my son are camping out in the garden tonight for a trial of our new tent, so I thought we'd make a nice dinner. So we've got steak, got some potatoes, just chop up them up nice and small. You have to cut the potatoes up small because they're going to take longer to cook. I'll do equal amount of potato for meat. that. 2 garlic cloves. Just give them a nice smash so they can release their flavours. We're ready to start putting this together. Right, all you need, some silver foil. We're going to put half the meat in there, half the potatoes, and 1 of the garlic cloves. We'll put a nice dollop of butter and season with salt and black pepper. It's as simple as that. Then wrap it up. Stick that on the coals with barbecue, and it's a meal for 1. Right, let's do the same for the other one. And our hobo casseroles are ready to cook. Now, 2 meals. 1 for me, 1 for the son. Okay guys, we've got a nice bed of hot coals, so we're going to start cooking this hobo casserole. Place them on the top of the coals, and they're going to take about 30 minutes. Guys, we've given it 30 minutes. Let's open these up and enjoy. There we are guys, hobo stew. Right, let's tuck in. Oh, lovely. What's it like, James?